You searched for how to buy shares of XPLR Infrastructure LP, so this clip walks through the steps. XPLR Infrastructure LP is an industrial infrastructure firm listed on NASDAQ with the ticker XIFR. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to be able to place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker XIFR to find the correct listing. Verify the listing name and exchange to ensure you have located the right stock. On the asset page, you can read basic company information and review the price chart. Confirm the company name, NASDAQ exchange, and ticker to be sure this is the correct stock before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio. For convenience, the example link to eToro is in the description below if you want to follow the demo.